Meanwhile, the Judicial Service of Ghana has taken legal action against the Lands Commission and two other entities regarding a disputed parcel of land located at cantonments in Accra. The Judicial Service is seeking a court declaration that the sale, lease or allocation of 6 bungalows opposite the U.S. Embassy to Frames Oil Company Limited is unconstitutional and unlawful. Fred Duho visited the area and filed this report.
The Judicial Service of Ghana, in a writ dated 27 February 2024, has sued the Lands Commission, Frames Oil Company Limited, and the Attorney General in a high court in Accra over a parcel of land with 6 bungalows situated on it. The Judicial Service of Ghana is demanding, among other things, a declaration that they are the lawful occupants of the land and bungalows opposite the American Embassy in Accra, labeled Plot 3A to 3F. They seek a declaration that any purported sale, lease, grant or disposal of the land and bungalows opposite the American Embassy, labeled Plot 3A to 3F with 6 houses, is unconstitutional and unlawful. According to the Judicial Service of Ghana, the houses were last occupied by some justices of the courts. They are asking the High Court to issue an order compelling the Lands Commission to issue a certificate of allocation for all the properties allocated to the Judicial Service. The houses in question are directly opposite the U.S. Embassy in Accra. The 6 bungalows are currently occupied by some staff of the Judicial Service, including some judges, while others are vacant. Meanwhile, checks at the Lands Commission revealed that a committee is working on the modalities to determine whether or not to hand over the said properties to Frames Oil Company Limited.
I understand the rest of the bungalows have been occupied by workers of the Judicial Service, and a police officer is in one of the bungalows here in Cantonment. Essentially, this has not sit down well with the Judicial Service. They believe that a number of properties within this enclave is being sold, for which they are going to resist it, and hence they begin legal procedures against the parties they believe acquired or are encroaching the said property. We noticed that even behind some of the bungalows that used to be occupied by old or former government workers. So far, the place is very quiet and calm. There has been no incident of agitation yet, but this legal battle, until it is totally settled in the courts, we do not know whose favor is going to turn. My name is Fred Duho, reporting for ChannelOne News.